Hello friends, this is tutorial number 66 in this Java programming language tutorials. In this tutorial we will continue with our application. In previous tutorial we create user class cache register and transaction. As you can see, we have 5 users and each user has his own cache register. And we of course add all of users in the list of users. And now first we need to create a login for our users. We will need to create a method, and it will be a public static user, and it will be the name of the method will be login. And let us create it. First we will need a scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in. First we will need to enter the username. Enter username. We will need a variable. Input variable will be string username entry equal to input next line. And we will need enter password, and we will need string variable for input a password. It will be password entry equal to input dot next line. Okay, and now we will need a for each loop for user. It will be you from the list of users, and we will need a condition. If username entry dot equal, ignore case, we will it will not be case sensitive, user dot get username. Okay, and we will need another condition for the password. If password entry, password that we entered, is equal to user dot get password. If both conditions are true, we will return user u. Okay. If conditions are false, not completed, we will simply type system out print line and user not found. But we need to return something, and we will return null. Okay, that should be fine. And we will need to implement this in main method. First we will need a scanner. Input equal to new scanner system dot in, and we we can't forget to load the data. We will need a user, and user u will be null. Okay, at the beginning will be null. No, and we will need one variable. It will be x. Okay, and first let's implement this. We will need a do while loop for a login. Do while user u equal to null. Let's try, and we will simply implement inside the do while loop. We will implement a user u equal to, and we will call the method. We will call the login method. Okay, that should be fine. We forgot semicolon here. Okay, and this means that we will try this method. This login method will be repeated until we found one of the user. Until one of the user will be login. And if username and password are not good, it will always repeat again until we log in. Okay, and also we will need to create a menu. We will if we successfully log in, we will start another do while loop, and it will be a while x is not equal to 0. We need to create a menu, but let's start. System out print line. We will start with choose an option, and we will continue system out print line. First option will be we can add money. Will be the first option. Okay, we will have the second option will be withdraw money or cash out, whatever you want. I will put withdraw. System out print line number 3 will be we can check the cash balance. And fourth option we will put transactions. We want a list of our transactions. Okay, and we will need option 0. It will be for exit the program. Okay, and we will need x. We will use variable x will be equal to input dot next int, and we will need to switch x, and let's see possible solutions. First case 1, and we need to break it. We have 4 options. Case 2, let's break it. Case 3, break. Case 4, also break. and we have option 0. We will complete these cases when we create for each of these options. We will need a method. Also we have a case 0. Okay, we can simply system out print line. We can simply type thanks for visiting. And goodbye. Okay, that should be okay. We need to break it. Okay, option 0 is completed. Now we will need a default option. Will be simply system out print line. We can type you must choose one of the options. Break. Okay, that should be okay. And now we will need let me first save it. We will try to, if it, let me just Control Shift and F, okay, to indent this a little, and let me save it, and we will see if we did this again. Enter username, let me, okay, some letters. Okay, as you can see, user not found again, and again couple of letters. Okay, user not found. Enter the username. Now we will, let me see the username and the password. Okay, first user John Doe, the username and the password is strong. Okay, we can use a caps lock, strong, and enter the password. It will be strong. Okay, and we successfully log in. Okay, and we have a couple of options. We also to look better, we can simply type but first no, after the login. But okay, it should be okay, and we can maybe it's better to welcome. Let me save and try. Again I will type strong and strong. Okay, welcome. Okay, you can write whatever you want. Welcome to the application. It looks better with this welcome message, and we have a choose an option. Of course, we don't have a method for any of these options, except we can simply type 11, for example, and it will tell us you must choose one of the options, and we can simply choose option 0, and it will tell us thanks for visiting and goodbye. Okay, it works good for at this moment. Now in the next tutorials we will complete each of these 4 options to complete this application. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have links in the description, and I will see you shortly in the next tutorial.